radio. I would've stayed at home. I was doing better now. Oh, when you stayed home. Hello. How's everyone doing? Hope you're doing well. How's everyone doing? Sorry, I'm just changing the title. Mahi on, mahi strong. Let's go. Okay, update information. There we go. Hello everybody. How's everyone doing? Ugh. Morning everyone. Oh, bloody hell already. Is it Ducky? Thanks for the sub, brother. Didn't have to. Can watch for free. Always. Mr. Hey pal. The test stream was last night. I'm sure I changed the title. Dr. Deep, thank you very much, brother. Yeah, I tried to do a test stream the other night, a few hours ago. How's everyone doing? Hello, Michael Love. Hello from the UK, it's nearly midnight. Oh, jeez. Talofa, brother. Pop Poo POV. Interesting name, brother. Thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. So usually what we do when we start our stream up, we have like our 5-minute catch up. Got your tea ready. It's like 10:21 here. Thanks Ducky for the bits. If you're new here, Ducky, you can just watch for free. Another captain, thank you very much as well, brother. You didn't have to. You can watch for free, brother. It goes for everyone. So we'll be doing this section of the carving today, and then yeah, we'll get some work done. I'm actually getting pretty hot, so I might go and change my t-shirt if that's okay with you. I'll be back soon. Sorry. But my breath was underwater. Okay. Still got a bit of time. I've got to tie my hair up again. How y'all doing? I'm watching the Yo Max TV too, brother. Doesn't have to, my bro. The keg of hydration. Okay, I'm just going to slowly start to move it up now. Yeah, it's a nice warm day today, so I'll be needing a jacket. That here. Okay. So today, guys, what we'll be focusing on, I got a job. Nice, brother. Mr. Chop Chop, thank you very much, my man. Didn't have to. So what we'll be focusing on today, guys, is the top figure. Head up the top. Stiffer. Oh, come on, guys. Don't start the sub buzz. Stiffer, thanks for the sub, and Liquid Ocelot, thank you very much for the gifted, brother. You don't have to do that. I'm just letting the speaker charge at the moment, but it'll be up soon. So let me grab some chisels. And then we're away. So I'll just put this camera down. Nip okay. Thanks for the sub, brother. Didn't have to. And Cosmic Ravioli. You guys can watch for free. Didn't even is that TF Blade dude? Milky Dove. That is him, eh? Wait, still hanging forward a bit. I'll give all my life savings. I'll probably slap you for trying to do that. Don't you dare give me your life savings. Stay safe, legend. Thanks, Ocelot. Brother, you're the legend here, my bro, not me. Who's this anonymous cheerer, mate? Thank you, anonymous cheerer. I don't know who you are. I don't know if it's Rob Wheathoff. Man, I don't know who it is, but thank you very much. Evan, thank you very much as well, brother. Oh, that's a truck. You can't watch, eh? Where's my mallet? Oh, Tidebreaker. Come on, guys, we just started. Jesus, you can't just watch. Thank you very much, the brother Tide. The tide is high, but I'm holding on. I'm gonna be your number one. Number one. I'm not the kind of girl who can just like that. Oh no, tide is high, but I'm holding on. True Thunder, true Fanta. The sneaky sneak, thanks for the bits, brother. Shit, you didn't have to. Can you please read my name, Crystal Complex 98? There you go, brother. My number one. Ocelot, brother. Thanks for the bits, my bro. You've done enough, man. That's enough, please. Golden buzzer. And then Simon will be there. That was absolutely dreadful. Stick to carving, mate. Went well, bro. Oh, RJ Woodmaster, bro. It didn't. It was okay. Didn't get what we wanted, But I'm gonna do another one today, not so much late in the evening. I know it'll be late in the evening for others, but yeah. Charlie Chodweld, he kinda ripped though, bro. I'm not ripped. See? I'm not ripped. I'm built to be a brewmaster. Atomic kitten slaps. I'm not really a fan of being too lighty. In the words of Chen Stormstout, size is strength. You lost weight? No. Oh god. Buttock. Who's Buttock? Yo, Buttock. I don't know if that's how you say your name, brother. I feel like it is. Thank you very much, brother. Bro, that is way too much, my G. Jesus. I know it's hump day for us here in New Zealand, but chill, brother. Thank you though, my man. You didn't have to. Everybody prefers a keg over a six pack. Yeah, I got myself a keg. How's it going, bro? Runny Kells. Yeah, it's going good, brother. Potato, thank you very much, my bro. Didn't have to. And Ocelot again. I was playing some Ghosts last night too. So good to be on that game, eh? I suppose everyone's clocked it by now already. Guardius Maximus, thank you very much for the sub, brother. If you're new here, you don't have to renew. You can watch for free. Just yeah, look after yourself too. That goes for everyone. Yesterday was bloody crazy. What do you think the best console? What is the best console of all time? Oh, that's a hard one, eh? Yeah, that's a hard one. I wouldn't have a clue. I mean, I love Sega, but then again, PlayStation as well played a big part. Bro, your workshop looks epic. Oh, bro, it's just the open shared carport, bro. It's not the greatest, bro, in terms of being exposed to the elements. But oh well. Thanks, brother. The wood I'm using is Totara. It's a native red pine, my bro. One of the most softest natives we have here in New Zealand. And yeah, it's one of the most preferred too to carve projects such as this, and much larger ones as well. Hey, cheer, brother Charizard. Hey, no guns here, my bro. Something I'm keen on learning how to do as well is I was watching the bro. One of the bros showed his PC rig. I was like, "Ah, that's mean." So we'll try and clean this up today and get the design on. It's only going to be a simple design. Nothing too complex. Cheer, bro. And then yeah, we'll see how we go from there. So I'm just trying to clean it all up now. I still got to clean the whole thing, to be honest. Much love, fresh package of eggs. Cheer, brother. So, out of curiosity, what games do everyone play? So I was looking at pop vinyls yesterday. I saw a Ripley one from Fortnite. Tyrael from Diablo as well. Connor Pepper, thank you very much, brother. Hey, cheer, brother Dweebo. Yeah, brother Dweebo. CSGO, League of Legends, Minecraft. Legend of Zelda. Thanks for the bits too, brother. You could have said that without the bits though. Junior Graph, thank you very much, brother. Ark Survival, that's the dinosaur one, eh? My mum just texted me. Witcher 3 and Gwent Sweaty, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Appreciate it. Didn't have to, my bro. You can watch for free. So this weekend I'm going out of town, and I'll be going to a place that sells Dream Daddy. Fuck's sake. I'll be going to a place where they sell quite a lot of pop vinyls too. It's called The Crossing Thunder, if you're in there. So one of the cuzzies in EB Games suggested it, go there, because the collection's not that great. Yeah, Ghost is pretty good, man. Like, it's really good. I just got that. I'm trying to max out all the stances before I even do the story. Like, I haven't even touched the story yet. Such a good game though. Can't wait for Cyberpunk. Yeah. I haven't really looked into that. I'm trying not to. I mean, I was pretty much sold when I seen Keanu Reeves. Or Baba Yaga. Please tell us, how did your life change after you blew up on Twitch? How much did it change? Right now for myself, I didn't change at all. Something that changed is, damn, DMs, man. Wow, those are hard to keep up with. Emails. Yeah, just a lot of attention on myself. Found it hard, eh? Still do now and again, eh? Like, I'm still not used to it. And I'm slowly trying to get used to it. But yeah, I haven't really changed much. Do you have any pets? Nah, not really, brother. We're not allowed any at the house we're renting. Yeah, not allowed. How's Corona in New Zealand? It's contained, bro. But we have like returnees that have come back to the country, and so they have to stay in the hotels around the country. But some are getting like starting to break out, and some of them are confirmed cases, just for stupid stuff. Accusing me just to kick some, sending some shoes to get customized. True, Dweebo. Nice, brother. Yeah, he's the man, eh? I love watching Just for Kicks. He's funny. He's one of the bros. If you haven't seen him already, or if you're into sneaker culture, he's the man to go and watch. Funny dude. You should stream games. Yeah, I tried to last night. Do you want a pet? Yeah, bro. Dog. Maybe once we ever move, if we ever start renting a house where the landlord lets us, or if we ever get our own house, maybe. I don't know. Do you play well? Yeah, brother. Yeah, brother. How do you feel about the Chiefs? Oh, do you reckon we'll ever win? Man, I hope so, eh? Keeping the faith, bro. I mean, yeah, it hasn't been a great run for the Chiefs so far. Feels bad, man, but we'll get there, my bro. Turn on Donny so you can buy your house. Yeah. Nah, that's too much money. That's, yeah. I'm scared to turn it on, eh? Or when my birthday comes around, I would say. Might have to just be a carving up a cake stream. Because, yeah, I feel like I'll get too distracted by it if I carve. Are you going to stream some WoW and Shadowlands? Oh, that's the plan, but at the moment we're kind of finding it a bit hard. Cheer Pigman for the sub, brother. He didn't have to. And cheer, brother Welshie. How are you? I'm just rounding the eye now. When is your birthday? Soon. Dude, I can't sub, sorry. Bro, it's all good. Might just be able to buy a house on your birthday. Imagine doing that, eh? Like, you accumulate so much money in one day and then you go and buy one, they'll be like, yeah, because you got a normal job. They'll be like, you're doing something illegal, aren't you? It's like my uncle, he he bought his truck in full. Like, he just had the bag on him and he goes, here, I'll take that one. They're like, sir? He goes, it's alright, I work for my money. They're like, oh, this guy flexing on us. Do you have a Discord server? Yeah, bro, it's in ! socials and Dyloon Gaming and Birdlaw Company. Thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to. You can watch for free. Yutti! Unpuggle streams. Thank you for the bits. You didn't have to. Okay, I'm gonna go and get our speaker soon. Sorry, I'm covering the camera. Mind the hairy arm. I don't know if you can see. Going to think Broxh is a Maori godfather. I'll tell you where I got it from, man. Don't you worry about where I got this from, man. Give me the truck. What's your dream car? One that works, brother. Nah, I'll probably just try and get a truck, brother. Just so I can use it for work as well, like getting my wood and whatnot. Because the way I got a few pieces of wood lately has been on my sister-in-law's small ass car. Just with a huge ass piece of wood pointing out the window. Okay, let me just do this eye and then I'll go and get our speaker and chuck some tunes on. The closer I get to you, the more you make me feel. By giving me all you got. Okay, now round the eye. Give it that round look, I would say. I am back. Hello, Finn Miller. Not Fenrir. Love the stream, man. Greetings from Seattle. Hey, cheer, brother. Appreciate it, my bro. Didn't have to, brother. Do I have a tonga? Boar tusks. From the... yeah. If that's what you mean. Brother, you can sing too? No. Will you sing us more? Yeah, I'm keen to do Twitch sings just to give everyone good entertainment. I'm just going to get our speaker. Okay, finally, I'm just going to put some tunes on. And then carry on as we go. Oh, I turned it off. Thanks, tacos. I definitely won't stop anytime soon, I would say. I just want you to know I am here. Chef and Miller. All good, brother. You do you, Mungie. Thanks for the support. Jesus, it's taking long to load. There we go. YouTube ad coming in hot.
Searching for music for your next video?
No, I'm not.
Then you need to check out Artlist. With amazing new music added.
Okay, guys, sorry about that. Let's go. Big fan, buddy. Love your community. Cheers, Just JDC. Thanks, brother. Welcome, my bro. You're pretty much a part of it now, so you can't leave. So we call ourselves a whānau. Oh, I call the community whānau. So that translates to family in my native tongue, brother. So welcome. Yeah, so your carvings are soon, bro. So after the current commission I have, which is not on screen at the moment, I'll be taking commissions. But the thing is, I'll only be doing traditional Maori wood carvings. You make my pee-pee hard. What the hell, bro? I feel like you're a aged man that talks like that. It's a bit weird. Hey, te hera mana. Kia ora, bro. Okay, let's just so we're getting rid of the round edge left from the round. So that was a 7 chisel. Yeah, I'll be investing in some other chisels too. Can I join your con too? Hakena. So once I finish this taiha, then I'll open it up. I'll go through the email system. So it's best to email me. Don't email me now, because I probably won't do it, because I'm still doing my current one. Yeah, don't email. Oh, jeez. Joe Phoenix. Hilg 18. Fucking hell, brother. Thank you, my bro. Didn't have to do that, brother. Holy shit. We just started, my bro. But thank you, brother. Fucking hell. Can you go to VidCon? I don't even know what that is, brother. How long does it take to do a carving? It all depends on how much time you put into it, brother. Like, take this for instance, doing it on stream. We've been on it for 4 weeks, or maybe less. Taking our time. So the idea is just to show the process and the steps that we take to get to where we are now. If I did this off stream, a matter of days. Hello from Florida. Yeah, cheer, brother Hilg. Thank you, man. Keep safe over there. I know Florida's got quite a few cases there. Yeah, don't ask for subs, otherwise you get banned. Goslanino, thank you very much for the sub. You didn't have to. Appreciate it though. Welcome to the whānau. And everyone else that's joining in that's new, welcome to the whānau. So So as we carve, I'm just trying to figure out a design we can do. Gee, what's your iwi? Tūhoi and Te Arawa, bro. So I was raised in Ruatahuna, but my kuia's from here, from Rotorua. And yeah, we have quite a big connection here too. Thanks, Sagefish. Chew, brother. You're part of that too, my bro, because you're here. The growth doesn't just belong to me, brother. I said it before when we hit 1 million followers, it belongs to everyone. Because I didn't get that count to where it is now. It was you guys. And you gotta acknowledge that, eh? I didn't think I'd ever hit that. Like, I wasn't trying to hit any milestones or big numbers. I just wanted to carve and hope everyone enjoyed it. And to my surprise, the majority do. Wood carving your main profession? Yeah, it always has been. Hey, cheer brother, mahalo. Yeah man, 1 million followers is, oh bro. Surprised me, that's for sure, brother. Like even that night when I got told to jump on because I was about to hit it, I was like, nah. Then had a look and holy hell. Do you ever get used to the rotary air? Yeah, you can't really smell the sulphur anymore. I mean, it's strong in certain places, but not where I live. Oh shit. Faint Manila, thanks for the bits, you didn't have to. And Bishop Yeti, oh god, and McKnights as well. Thank you very much, guys. You don't have to do that, but thank you. How long would a piece take to complete, and how long would you have been working on it? Well, like I said before, if I did it off stream, it won't take that long, because I pretty much know what I'll be doing. Why I carve on Twitch is just to show everyone, and yeah, show the processes. That's pretty much it. Share what I know. Ooh. Okay, might have to turn them on the side. I'll just turn them on the side so I can hit it from that angle. My father help from Wellington. Hey, too, bro. Cashing out. Sure, brother. What are those? So, setting them up. Can you show your head, please? Which one? Hey. Hold on guys, I'm just gonna try and hit this arm from this angle and then I'll get back to it. Just trying to get a good round on the arm. That's about it. Looks good. Okay, let's carry on. Sorry I'm missing your fellas' messages. I'm just, yeah, try and get this thing rounded and then we'll carry on. around here. Just get a nice round underneath. And then we're good. And then we just check cut into the nose. Just to take out the excess wood. And then, yeah. Sure, Ted Paul Milk, Terra Mode, thanks for the sub, brother. Doesn't have to, my bro. You can just, yeah, chill. So just doing the hand now. Dropping it down. Might have to take down the back. Like this part here. The back section. Oh, we got a spider. Oh, sorry. Hang on. Yeah, jump on here. Oh, get them. Alliance or Horde? Horde, brother. Small Smebini? Cheer, brother. And Mr. Pegasus. Cheer, brother, for that. Hello, True Elite 1. Happy birthday. Thanks for being such a cool fella. Thanks, up your scoot. Cheer, brother. Thanks for being there, my bro. Frixie, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Yeah, just come and watch, brother. You can watch for free, eh? It's all good. So to anyone that's new, what we're doing today, it's just the final parts of the mask. So we're getting ready to. So I had a dream last night about this mask too. That when we were staining it, Careless Whisper played every time the paintbrush touched the wood. It's like, what the hell? Feral Snow Milf and Schneef. Thank you very much for the sub, guys. Bro, you can watch for free, eh? Yeah, it's all good. Interesting name, by the way. Not sure what that dude's on about. What time is it for you, Broxh? Also, I just wanted to get all your emotes. Oh, true, brother. It's like almost, it's 5 to 11, bro. Not sure what that message was about neither, bro. Like, I don't know what that was about too. Mods be like. Yeah, that was a random message. Okay, so just try and get a good undermine on this arm. So yeah, we're just trying to even out this face today, and just so we can get a good look at it as well. Tadpole milk. So what I'm doing is a Wheku, which is like a tribal style mask for our meeting houses. So our ancestral meeting houses are obviously named after our ancestors, the Maori. And with this particular piece, brother, it's more about showcasing what I love to do. Like lore drops here and there. Get a good angle on it. There we go. I mean, that arm can come right in there. Hello from Israel. Hey Dodo. Cheer, brother. Much love from Canada. Hey my bro, how are you? How heavy is the carving you're doing? Not that heavy. Like, baby weight. Not that heavy, bro. Watch you from Finland. 2 AM. Oh bro, don't forget to get some sleep in too, brother. New Zealand land of the long white cloud. Yeah, brother. Aotearoa. back at it now. Yeah, man, I had a dream about this carving last night. How does being an egg, what does being an egg mean? Don't be a troll, obviously. Within Twitch we get a lot of those guys in there. Just people that like to bring other people's Twitch channels down and communities. But yeah, if you're gonna be a troll in the chat, I'm not saying you are, so like people who usually are trolls in this chat get caught out pretty fast by everyone. Risk bringing their asses into the lion's den, brother. What's your opinion on the Dragon Priest mask from Skyrim? Would you ever carve those? Nah, brother, because it's not Maori. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver, brother. I don't carve anything outside of my culture. This is all I do, brother. Okay, there we go. Is egg an insult? An insult? No, it's just don't be a troll. Don't be an absolute wank in the chat. That's about it. No, Spaghetto. 4 months in a row, brother. Holy shit. Thank you, man. Shit, you didn't have to do that, brother. And Wisher, thank you very much for the sub as well. Holy cow, these guys. So I'm just looking at it from the guy's angle. And it's not looking too bad. So we'll just fix up the round in here. Yeah, nice little tap. So I want to bring it this way as well. There we go. Get a little round in there. Nice and round. Try and get it as round as we can. Oh, sorry, touched the camera. Is it better for you to carve outside? How do you feel with bad weather? Rain, hail or shine, brother, I'm outside. Yeah, it doesn't really bother me, but it's best to work outside anyway. Mike JB, thank you for the sub, brother. You can watch for free. Reason why I carve outside, brother, is because of all the wood chips, eh? You don't want them all inside. I mean, I wouldn't want to clean that up. I'd rather do it outside when it's easier. Got any pets? Nah, brother, not allowed any in the house we're in. Sadly. Would love a dog. Mrs. Broxh wants a beagle. But I wanna... Aloha, pehea oi. Hey, Bendon. Ka te pai, brother. I'm good, thank you. How are you? See, there's a similarity there with the languages, everyone. So how he would say that, kia ora, kei te pehea koe. And he said, aloha, pehea oi. So note K. So you see the similarities within the Polynesian culture and our language. Shout out to the Kazi for doing that. Mahi and Tonga's panties. Oh, true. I'll remember not to say that if I ever go to Tonga then. Can't catch pigs or deal with a beagle. She's watching, bro. Yeah. I didn't really want a beagle. I was like, but I want a husky. One that'll bite males when our kids become teenagers. sit them outside our daughter's windows. If they try and climb in, they'll bite them. You never posted? Yeah, bro, sorry, I just got busy. I'll do them today, the close-ups of the carving. I'll be back in a little. Hey, you're all good, brother. Take your time. From the side, my pencil. What's the most expensive carving you've ever done? So there's a treasure box on there on my Instagram, brother. That sold for around, I think it was $3,000. I didn't get the money, but when you do carvings under the institute here in Totara, the catch is that everything you carve belongs to them. But in my eyes, that was a bit overpriced too. Cheerio, Yanzo. Cheerio, brother. How are you? Okay. Get a nice clean wall. There you go. Bam, I am Bam Bam. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. Didn't have to, my bro. Simp Detector. What's the matter, bro? Bro, you didn't have to give those, eh? And Silver, thank you very much for the bits too. Once again, guys, you just don't have to. You make carvings for school? No, I was a part of a carving institute where I went to upskill. And they, so it's mainly for Maori. So that's one of the requirements. You have to have ties to a Maori ancestor to qualify. And but they teach you to learn, or they pay you to learn. And the catch is that everything you carve with them stays with them. Makes sense though. Kia ora, chat. Hey, Tune, brother. Cheer, bro. I know you can't hear me, but thumbs up, brother. Have a good day at work and don't get snapped. There's our pun lord, just for kicks. Hey guys, what do you reckon? Should I get like a pen and paper and write and try and communicate with just for kicks that way? What languages do you speak? Well, 3 hosts in a row. Really? Did I miss them? Sorry, I must be missing a lot, eh? Just for grips. Is there a reason why you wear rain boots when you carve? Yeah, these are like the Air Force Ones in New Zealand, brother. Everyday shoe. These sends his regard. Hey, Big Zeus. Yeah, if I'm not wearing gumboots, I'm wearing jandals. Usually wear jandals in summer though when it's hot. Yeah, brother, these type of gumboots are the Air Force Ones of this country. Is your phone in like a phone protector case? Yeah, I made it. I just used my chisels, brother. That's all I did. Easy. Okay, there we go. So what we'll do now is just clean up this arm, and that's pretty much this side. We'll leave it alone. But these back walls will need to be taken care of. Chat holder 4000. Yeah, my bro. Okay, how am I gonna get in here? Okay. Zoinbees. Thanks for the bits, Malji. You didn't have to. More than welcome to just come and watch, man. But thank you very much, brother. Did you carve your own car out of wood? If I had a car, I would tell you. I haven't had a car for a while. I had a silver Lancer, but that doesn't work no more. So I've been walking. Best woodcarver in the world? Nah, man, never. Hungover Germ, thank you very much for the sub, brother. If you're new here, my bro, you don't have to do that, brother. You can watch for free. It is totally fine. Swampia, kia ora, you're such a humble streamer, so we keep it up, bro. Thanks, Swampia. Appreciate it, brother. I'm just me. And we have an anonymous cheerer again. I do not know who you are. But thank you very much, anonymous cheerer. And Islam with the Twitch sub as well. And Chasey and Wister. Holy cow. Calm down, guys. Thank you guys for the subs. You just didn't have to. You can watch. But once again, welcome. True and fair next. Eye of Sauron in full force today. For Frodo. All the trolls be coming in here saying that, trying to distract you. Yeah, so this needs a sharpen. So I don't know if you can see it, but there's all the scratch marks that the chisel's leaving. So that usually means that there's a small chip on the wood, the little scratch marks. I don't know if you can see them. But yeah, we'll put this one to the side. I'll need to go and buy a sharpening stone ASAP. I'm just getting another one. But yeah, that's all that really means is slight chip means slight rip means slight chips in the chisel, which is, it happens. It's not totally doom and gloom. It just happens. It's part of it. What is this for two? Because of stream is so chill. Hey, thanks, brother. Oh, Mordoc, thank you very much, brother, for the sub. Didn't have to, my bro. You can watch for free. It is simply amazing. Here we have a young lion feasting on the carcass of an antelope. Handled the pandemic as a country. Yeah, Liquid. We did well, and then there was a few others that messed it up for us. Are you married? Not yet. Cheer, crusty hand, man. That's good. Same project as yesterday, brother. We're just at the top of it now. Just trying to smash it up so we can move on. Baisu, thank you very much for the sub. Didn't have to. But thank you, brother. Man, I'm just wondering how to clean this. Yeah, I need to get myself a sharpening stone ASAP. We gotta push the check for Dweebo. Elias, thank you very much, brother. Didn't have to, my bro. So just put the camera up a bit, eh? Hey, Mr. Rainbow Potato. David Edinburgh emote win. If everyone wants it, I don't know how we would do an Edinburgh emote. Maybe Mufasa with some binoculars, eh? How would we do it? It's done in the chat. But yeah, I mean, I've already ordered 3 emotes from the brother, so I'd rather wait for those ones. Glad to catch you live. Finally, hope you're doing well. Amsterdam. Thank you, brother. Didn't have to, my bro, but thank you very much. And welcome. Okay, let's get back to it, eh? How do you say that name? Gabe, but proud. Thank you very much, brother, for that, for subbing. You didn't have to, my bro. If you're new here, just come watch. Oh, Valhoon, cheer the brother. Thank you for the sub, my bro. Shit, you didn't have to do that. You already know. Hope you're doing well, brother Valhoon. This chisel's not working. Since the sun's out, then it's really fitting that the guns are also out. Oh, don't say that. Guangzhou. Everyone out here doing that egg test. How many times have you gone down the luge? Probably once, bro. That was back when I was a kid. What do we reckon, guys? Should we take the stream pack for a luge ride? Bro, I haven't done that in a while, so might not be that good. What do you guys say? Let me know. Cheer, B-Roy. Cheer, brother. What are your PC specs? Oh, I have no bloody clue, brother. Sorry. JD350Z, thank you very much, brother. If you're new here, my man, you don't have to. It'd be a cool POV, yeah. So, yeah. I'm quite a big guy, so me on a luge would be quite funny to see. But if everyone would like to see that on stream, I'm down. Egg tests are 100% accurate. Cheer, brother. Yeah, once I have my own vehicle, I'll definitely head out. So I'm just trying to, clean this bugger from all angles. I think it's almost time for our first smoko break. Anybody in chat know what? Oh god. Grand Poobah 21. Thank you very much, brother. I appreciate it, my man. Oh, along with a not so proud weeb and Shiny McNugget. Thank you guys for the subs, and to the bro for the gifteds. You can watch for free, eh? It is totally fine. Yeah, PC specs, I don't know, eh? I'm not like PC savvy. I mean, if I can play World of Warcraft, I'm happy. The only PC specs I can tell you is that it's black, it's got a red light in it, it's got like how many fans, it does the job. Yeah. Vape Lord. Oh, that name though. Cheer Vape Lord for the sub. Shit, brother. That name. And my main man, Broxh. Yo, Godzilla 4220. Cheer, my bro. How are you? How's the mount run going? I haven't done my mount runs yet, brother. Well, I'll do them tonight. If I'm free, bro, that's us. We'll link up again. Yeah, I haven't done my weekly invincible runs and my Shower of Anger kills as well. Thank you for your content. Love the content you provide and hope you're doing well. Thanks, brother. Oh, Serpent Tail. Thanks, brother, for being here. Now that you're part of our family, brother, yeah, you don't have to sub, man. You can watch for free. Can you please make an apple splitting channel point? But then I'll run out of apples too fast. Don't worry, those will come free. I'm gonna go and get one soon because I'm getting hungry. Hold on, guys. So yeah, all I'm doing at the moment is just rounding this guy's arm. Nothing too complicated. Boom, 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 boom. No worries, bro. Just like to know the other people are rocking because I built my first PC about a month ago. True, brother. Bro, I want to build a PCA and do it live, but I don't know much about it. Probably go. Bradley, thank you for the sub as well, brother. I appreciate it. I'll probably ask someone to teach me the ways of the PC parts. Get some race down the hill. Yeah, and do projects. That'll be mean. Probably bail on the luge, but who cares? Will you stream Mo anytime in the future? So I tried to do a test one with the brother in Phoenix last night. Didn't go too well, but hopefully sometime soon, man. Hopefully. Man, if I ever do a Shadowlands video, the first thing I want to do is look through the customizations with you guys. One nude robot. Fort Toaster, thank you for the bits, man. Shit, you didn't have to do that, my G. And to the bro as well for the work in progress. Yeah, hard. And Leon K with the bits as well, thank you very much. It was dark and full of eggs. That's it. I also have a video that is insanely detailed on how to build a PC if you want books. All good, bro. It's probably not going to be anytime soon. Maybe once if we ever relocate from this house, then I have like a man cave. I'm not going to call it an office because it's a man cave. Yeah. Because my PC's in the lounge and people don't really go to sleep early. Feed zombies, thank you very much, brother. Say when you want a break, I'll bring you a tea. Oh, can I have a tea now then? Yeah, this is my office space. I was like, come on, bro. It's a man cave. Be honest. Man cave and proud. 10-minute break at work and I'm gonna spend it by watching you. Scoop, don't forget to have lunch though. What are your thoughts on Shadowlands? I haven't seen much gameplay. I haven't really been looking into it other than watching a few streamers play it. Like Panda, Moda and Nick, I know they got beta. I think Arul's got it too. I've been watching him do his key runs. And yeah, I don't really watch much WoW streamers that much, other than those four. So Panda, Moda, Nick and Arul are four main WoW streamers I like to watch in ANZ. Outside of ANZ, it's obviously Venruki, Bajira, and can't forget Mez too, because he's from New Zealand. It's pretty buzzy knowing that Blizzard Champ is from here. Thank the music man. Thanks, brother. Have you ever played rugby? When I was younger, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna put them on the top and go and give me an apple. With our first smoking break. Has the lockdown eased over there? Yeah, bro, so we're pretty much at level nothing now. But we're still wary of it. Like, it's still out there. Like, my main focus going into lockdown was just keep everyone away from my partner and my baby. Here's so awesome. Here we go with Just for Legends. Okay. So I'll move this up. There we go. It's a bit wobbly, so I feel like it's going to fall. There we go. I'll just check our music and then I'll go and get me something to eat. Won't be long, you legends.
Searching for music for your next video? Then you need to check out Artlist. With amazing new music added daily and one simple license that covers everything. Artlist is the music licensing platform for all creators.
Okay guys, well,
start now and find
doesn't look like I need to prepare lunch because Mrs. Broxh is coming up to have lunch off camera though.
Made for creators.
Cheers, smooth. Cheers, say. Who has the power of the hair flick in here?
If things feel uncertain, clear communication.
I'll move it closer while we're waiting.
Grant provides suggestions you can count on to improve your writing's clarity.
I remember in the day I messed myself up a couple times. Bad slip and cut. No, not really, brother.
Helping you connect.
No, not at all, my bro.
Grammarly.com.
Show your missus. She's not interested in this. This is man with the Michael Jeffrey Jordan. Oh, nah. I don't know about that one, brother. I should get a paper and go, hello, just how are you? The hair flick got a few hydrates if you want it. Nah, save them for hair flick, brother. Summon Brewmaster Broxh. Did someone redeem? Oh, JT. Okay. I really love Brewmaster. That's such a cool spec. I mean, who doesn't like tanking with alcohol? Elgato Revel, thank you very much, brother. I really appreciate it. Just know that you can watch for free. It is totally welcome. So while we're waiting for Mrs. Broxh, we'll just carry on. Okay. There should be an emote for the water bottle. Yeah, everyone's been saying, so I'll definitely get one down. I don't like rushing the Brother Thunder Punch. That's just not how I go about it. So I've already got some emotes coming from the brother anyway. It's just a matter of when he's ready. So we got, I don't know if we should call it Broxh Rage or Broxh Fire. Hello. Okay. Oh, we get chocolate too. Let's go. You can have the chocolate too. So it's time to have lunch. Got you a chair? Give you a chair. Okay, I'll just put this to the side for now because I don't really like eating around carvings. Hey. Didn't see the rings before. Must be a pretty big tree. Oh, rings. I don't know. Okay, can I have an apple? Thank you.
Can you put it over there?
Okay, so just having a bit of a snack. What's the Maori word for lunch? Tina. Bird Law Company and gifting a sub too? Shit, you didn't have to do that. Can watch for free. Yeah. Why don't you sit in the sun?
I am.
Yeah, my idol, I love your channel. I'll try and be the best idol I can for you, bro. Well, see. Going to split an apple with his hands. Oh. Apple destroyed. Oh, it's a split an apple. The thumb to rule them all. Could any of us kill this app? Come on, guys. This is just how I've been splitting apples for a long time. Just reckons the thumb is mightier than the sword. Good. Block. Probably Jordan, thanks for the sub, brother. Didn't have to. But thank you, my bro. That's how All Might eats apples. When you speak, I smile. Oh, anyone can split an apple with their hand. It's easy. Mrs. Broxh can do it.
No.
Apple emotes needed. Yeah, once the Brother Thunder has done our 3 that I got from him, then I'll just ask him again. Racist nanny just walked past. Apple's gone in 4 bites. Yeah. Did you call me a fat pig? Did you call me a fat pig? Your Megan's cute. Yeah, it's got a sheep on it. Throw the water bottle in Tonto. Keg smash shake. Why is everyone interested in my height? Even I don't know. Not even Chuck Norris can split an apple. Yeah, because he throws it up and split. The apple had no chance. At least the apple has served its purpose. Tell us about the racist nanny. So she lives next door, and our neighbours across the street are Asian, and they were just turning into their driveway, and she's like, "Indicate when you're in my country." It was on stream, and I went, "Did you really have to say that?" And she looked at me. Oh, we're fallen. Thanks for the sub, brother. The apple split comments lasted longer than the apple. So it's got tea now. Racist nanny emote. No. She will not be a part of the stream. Give the racist nanny an apple. Oh, yep. Rumor has it that she drops invincible. Can you split the tea too? Can you split the tea as well, man? Okay, I better not take too long. The coffee mug looks like a shot glass. Bloody just. Sorry, it's just, yeah, I like to have lunch while we stream. If anyone's new here. This fat ass eating an apple, just doing nothing. Do you work out? Yeah. Try to. Haven't been back in a bit. Hello off camera, Mrs. Broxh.
Hello.
Okay, I'll just drink a bit more of this and then you carry on. Where's your lemon slice? I'll have one. Pure comedy from Bikini Bottom. Broxh works out by pushing his luck. What, Mrs. Broxh? That was just... Okay, I better stop mucking around here. Typhoon, thanks for the sub, brother. I'll stop mucking around now. Oh, yes. How's this look? All good? Tell the truth, yeah. Stop mugging around. He's like a ducky, didn't even chew. Yeah, I chewed. What a sad guy. Just gloop. That was one of the pros. I will stop when Broxh opens the donation button. Yeah, I might not do it then because there's entertainment right there. Someone getting salty over your Legends has it comments, brother. Oh, you can't even hear me, so why am I bothering? Chewing is pre-COVID. My girlfriend and I are watching you in class. Okay. Am I the Aussie? How about you and your girlfriend? Go and do some study. Go to class. If he's already in class, then cut the stream off. But thank you two for watching. Remember to get your schoolwork done. It's more important than watching me, you two. Couple goals, watching me carve wood. Let's go. Yeah, just focus on your guys' schoolwork. You can watch me another time. Please. Should I ban those who should be studying, then unban them when they're finished? Unban them around 3 o'clock in the afternoon when school's finished? Nah, leave them there. Hopefully they've gone to do their schoolwork. Favorite character in Marvel? Beta Ray Bill, brother. Focus on your guys' schoolwork. That goes for any other student as well. Do you have a Korg impression? I don't even know if I have a Korg impression. This is just me talking normal. But it is said in the legends of old that did the hammer pull you off? Oh my god. The hammer pulled you off. But it is also stated that Noob Master 69. We don't say that name around here. Oh shit, who's this? Oh, Chaplain. Gee, bro. Man, you didn't have to do that. Oh my god.
Do you want me to leave the rest out here?
I have one more, but I'll chew it. Wanna be our DJ? Just play some hookers. Thanks, Chaplain. Appreciate it, brother. Our channel. Thank you once again, brother. You didn't have to, but still, thank you. Are you the voice of Korg? No, I am not. Now it's Taika Waititi. That's who you're looking for. That's the guy you're looking for, man. He is not the voice of Korg, he is Korg. Oh. Got icing. Why did you walk around that way? They wouldn't have seen you. Scaredy cat. Okay, let's just do up this nose now. We're gonna round it. Okay, I just need a smaller chisel and then wait. With your bare hands has broken your disguise, Korg. Oh jeez. I feel like Tony Stark. Yes, I'm Korg. Have you seen the latest My Hero movie Rising? Yeah, bro. Watched it like a week before it came out here. Yo, not gay? Thanks. Did you give the sub? Holy shit! Didn't have to, my bro. And Classy Crusader, thank you, brother. Didn't have to. Do you watch anime? But appreciate it, brother. Thank you very much. Whether you're a follower, a sub, or just a viewer, part of the family, or the whānau. That's how you sharpen it. Ducky Plays, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. You can just watch for free, man. What we're doing now is just moulding the top face's nose, making it nice and round. Just simple, nice and simple thing. What happens with the artwork when you complete them? Are they used for ceremonies? Ones that are... So this particular piece is no one in particular. Like, it's not an ancestor, it's more of just some showcase, really. If that's how I would word it. So when this is finished, brother, I won't do any ceremony. Don't really need to, because it's not... We're not carving under the sacred banner, because I will never carve an ancestor on stream, brother. Holy shit, yo, Birdlaw and an anonymous gifter again. Jesus. Thank you, guys. Bro, who's this anonymous person, man? Straight up. Tell me your name so I can acknowledge you. Oatmeal, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Yeah, so what we're doing right now, guys, is rounding the nose of the koruru, or the ruru. So this particular shape face here represents the owl. So the big dead giveaway should be the eyes. So we have 3 different variations of faces that we carved. So we didn't carve human faces until the missionaries turned up. So some of our ancestors transitioned over to foreign faiths. Most of us didn't. We stayed with what we know. Yo, puppy, thanks for the sub, brother. Didn't have to. Much respect, Smoothie. Smooth, thank you, brother. Whew. Oh, come on. Yo, Alex, brother, holy shit. Bloody hell, here we go. Thank you, man. You didn't have to do that, brother. But thank you, brother. Didn't have to. You should be an emote. I got an emote of myself. I know it's a bit of a boasting thing to do, but just an idea for a 3-piece emote I thought of just for everyone watching. So can some of the subs show the 3-piece emote? It's just so it's just me as a lion carving, really. Nothing Nothing too technical. There it is, bonfire just posted it up. Oh, there we go, and other people as well. So here's my mallet, new chisel. So those were done by the brother Thunder Punch. Oh man, that looks crazy seeing that amount. What happens if you mess up? Do you restart? No man, you just adjust. Don't make mistakes, you make adjustments. Thank you, Alex. That's one of the reasons why I do it. Just hopefully people enjoy it. Oh, true Drebo. Hellbilly Nerd, thanks for the sub, brother. Welcome. Didn't have to, my bro. But welcome, my bro. So the sides of this nose are not looking too great. There you go, much better. Plowman, Hellman. Thanks for the sub, brother. I appreciate it, my bro. If you're new here, my man, you can just watch for free. It is totally all good. And Thomas with the bits as well. Thank you, guys. So what we will do this week, so I have to go and get paintbrushes for staining. But while I'm in town, I've got to go and look for a brown afro, so I can look as Bob Ross as I can when we start painting. These heads on tail, there's no winner because he flicks the coin launched into space. Yo, the coffee shop, thank you very much, man. If you're new here, my brother, you don't have to renew your sub, you can just watch, it is totally fine. And Pacino as well, thank you very much, brother. And Thomas with the bits again, holy cow, crazy. Dude, that was perfect. How soft is the wood? I don't know how to explain that, like, soft. Yeah, sorry, brother. There we go. If I could have... Oh my god. Mr. Sheep, brother. Holy shit. Thank you, brother. Bloody hell. Thank you, brother. Shit, you didn't have to do that, my bro. It is said that we have an amazing community, but no one likes to listen. Your chat does listen, yep. Either way, I love you guys, eh? If you listen, you don't listen, either way, still consider you all family. There we go. Yo, Chazbat, thanks for the sub, brother. If you're new here, my bro, you can watch for free. It is all good. Is it common to have imperfections? Yeah, I mean, wood's gonna split. It's not gonna listen to you. Matthias. Matthias? I hope I said that name wrong. Shit, my bad if I butchered it. Matthias? Matthias. I have Sauron cases. I wanted to do emotes that represent the mods too. So I get a line that's like doing a shoe, like painting a shoe. That'll be just Thunder Punch. Obviously that one will be pretty good. Fanta, I get a lion with a bloody magnificent beard. Who else? You got Thunder, Fanta, just Mahalo would be the Eye of Sauron with a lay. Or with a lay on maybe. The Epic Tragedy and Clutch Plays. Thank you very much for subbing, guys. Welcome. If you're new to the channel, you can watch for free. It is said that if you watch for free, you can use your sub money to go and buy you food. Oh, bird law. Holy shit, made me trip. Cheer, bird law. Holy crap. Thank you, guys. Fuck. But you can watch for free. It's just hard not to say that, eh? Like, I feel rude if I don't say thank you. Time out. Oh my god. The Epic Tragedy. Oh, brother. Thank you, brother. Epic Tragedy. Really appreciate it, brother. You know you can watch for free. Please don't have a repeat of yesterday. Fuck, I couldn't handle that. Mr. Zola as well. Cheer, brother. Thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. This man has the Lamborghini of carving benches. Bro, there's way better ones than this one, brother. But this gets the job done. I wouldn't mind building my own carving bench, to be honest. That would be a cool stream. Okay, that's that nose done. I might cut it up too. See how we go. If I could have you. Where's my 13? Oh shit. This is my jam. I've always been the one to say the first goodbye 100 million times. Know just what I like. Now I'm falling. You say my name, but I have never heard before. I know for sure one that feels it all. Are you falling? Should've paid attention. You know you can get whatever you want from me, whenever you want it, baby. You and my affection. I'm looking for the things you could do, baby. If I would've known it, baby, I would've stayed at home. 'Cause I was doing better alone. I knew it was the end of it all. I could've stayed at home. 'Cause now I didn't let you go. Am I wanting in love with the one that could break my heart? I was doing better alone. I'm not doing better alone because I love my partner, but it's still a good song. Cover, sorry. Am I falling in love with the one that could break my heart? The Undertaker! Oh my God, it's the Undertaker! Jim Ross! Jim Ross! So Dua Lipa sings it, but the bro did a cover to it. Oh, I don't know if this is licensed or not.
Thursday. We like Thursday.
We like Thursday. We like Thursday. You know why? Closer to Monday. Can you show music playlist? So that song there was a cover done by DJ Spell. You ever thought of singing professionally? Nah, bro, never. Not something I'd like to pursue, brother. I mean, I've done a bit of opera here and there, but yeah. I don't even think you can play like opera music anymore. Used to jam out to that Pavarotti. Che bella cosa lei sole. He was the man, eh? Wow. His passaggio and his breath control. Whew. God tier. Aqua Machine. Thank you for the sub, brother, along with Dinny Mac. Appreciate it, you guys. If you're new here, you're more than welcome to watch. It's Subscripto. You're about to get banned. Later. There'll be no sucketh of me, bro. You can suck on the sweaty armpit after I finish this carving. Oh, he's the rubbish man. Coming here with that shit. Grow up. Dogs or cats? Dogs, brother. Yeah. The doge too, brother. Just waiting for Rubbish Man to do his thing. I would say the chisels are probably more sharper than the singing. Guardo la gente, parlo per mano, nessuno capisce ti amo. His dog's name is Meek. Okay, everyone, this is my dog. His name's Meek. Peep, peep, peep. Weep, weep. Okay, Rubbish Man is gone for now. He will turn around and come back down the street to do our side of the road. You look like you love life. Great respect. Reggie TV? Yeah, man, you have to. He's gonna create an OnlyHands account on OnlyFans. Isn't that us, you egg? Oh, that's right, he can't even hear us, eh? Captain No Cap, thank you very much, brother. So, what design can I fit on this bugger? So the grain changes, so we got to cut back down the mouth. So what design I'm planning to do, even I don't know, but we'll do something simple, because simple can be good. I'll do a quick draw up and see what I can do. Tangia to tangi. So obviously you put your bevel line in, because you don't want to have an edge like this, just because it's more prone to breaking. Okay, just see what design I can fit in this section of the mouth. Just a nice simple one. The hard design has been done, so there's no need to do another hard design. You want to make it harder for yourself, no matter what type of carving you do, or any art, I would say. Wish I get some Jaffa cakes. Ooh, that sounds yum. You like Samsung better or Apple? I got an iPad, and that's the first Apple product I've ever owned in my years of living. See, look, Rubbish Man is back now. He's doing our side. Beep, beep. Eating Jaffa cakes right now. Damn, that sounds good. Smoky. So we'll just wait for the Rubbish Man to do his thing. Probably gonna get the bits too. Dinny Mac, thanks for the bits. Didn't have to. You can just watch. For chisel my nizzle. Sharpening. Are you sharpening tools freehand? Like sharpening on my hands? What do you mean, Bill? I thought the Rubbish Man was at my place for a second. Bro, you wanna know who's worse than the Rubbish Man? The Recycle Man, bro. He starts his run at like 6 in the morning, and brother man is breaking bottles at that time. I was like, come on, bro. I don't know who the Recycle Man is, but go have us sleeping. I think I pissed myself. Well, that's no bloody good. Oh, that's a cool little Bulbasaur there. Okay, so that should be good. Wondering if I should leave the eyes like this or do my signature moon eye. I actually don't know. just 100% make this up on the spot. We'll do pupil, eh? There it is. What country am I from? From Aotearoa, New Zealand. Gonna go meditate in a minute, clear that energy. All good, brother. Do your thing. Do you watch Friendly Geordies? I don't even watch TV, brother. I only went home and away's on, or Neighbours. Hold on, guys. Just got a text message. I got one of those text messages from one of my family members and it's for the wrong person. He just said, fuck, I just got myself. Neighbour was fire. XL Coffee, thanks for the gifty. You didn't have to. Oh my god. Yo, Alex. I'm calling you Alex the kid, brother. Thank you, brother. You did not have to do that. I'm not angry, just, you know, you didn't have to. Well, thank you, brother. Fuck. Better be looking after your fellow selves, though. Kite moko, mai maira. Okay, let's clean this side up and we'll give it a bit of a design and see what it looks like. Yole. Maximela Jung. Oh, jeez, I hope I said that right. Thanks for the sub, my bro. If you're new here, you, sir, are more than welcome to watch. I don't care how sick of it people hear me say that, but I'll never be sick of it, brother. Do you have a link? Oh, it's on YouTube, brother, sorry. Totara koe te manui ki runga nuku tere. I will never get sick of hearing that. Totara koe te manui ki runga nuku tere. yeah. Baby, come as you are, with just your heart, and I'll take you in. E kui pimia, koutou I whakakalohi mai o kapa, e nei roto I, oh jeez. Here's Connor, fuck. Hello, Connor. Cheer, brother. Damn it. Thank you very much, brother Connor. Appreciate it, brother. Just remember, bro, please look after yourself as well. And Lidrith, thank you for gifting subs as well. Here's Connor again. Oh god, here we bloody go. Keep up the good work, man. Cheer, brother Connor. I will, brother. Thank you very much once again, my bro. Just trying to sort this design out, see if we can fit it. I think Connor is Bill Gates. Could be. Or he could even be, who do we think Connor is, guys? Let's have a go. Minigame, let's go. Who's Connor? Who do you think Connor would be? Elon Musk, Bernie Sanders, D-Folk, thank you very much, brother. Didn't have to. Kim.com. Lil Drift, thanks for the bits, man. I appreciate it. Man, Kim.com, I haven't heard that name in a long time. Whakatata. Mike McGregor. Ooh, Tony Stark. Who the fuck is Connor? Connor fucking McGregor. True King of Dublin. Connor is this beautiful person just like you, man. I would love to know what Connor's job is. I'll go and join him. Brent, thank you very much, man. Appreciate it. Conor fucking McGregor. Hey, yeah, daddy. Cheer, brother. He's probably Putin. Putin loves this content. Oh, gee. Okay, Connor, were we even close? Whakairo ki te po, ora wai, hika te mana he te aroha, no nei te mana wai. If Bill Gates sent you an Apple iMac, would you split it with your thumbs? I've already got a PC, so probably just give it away. I'm not really an Apple person, other than the fruit. Almost. Oh. Almost. Oh, we were close, chat. We were close. He is an elder god. Connor. He holara he karoria he wangaro mo kiru mai te mata. Are you Keanu Reeves? No, because I cannot slay as much people as he did in John Wick. Imagine me in John Wick 3 and the knife scene, sorry, then see the guy at the end there grabs that axe, sorry. My daughter, Te Awhina Toe, and watching from South Central. Any chance you could say kia ora to you? Oh. Te Awhina Toe, kia ora, tēnā koe. Hello. I hope you're enjoying the stream from South Central. Gee. I hope you and your papa, your dad, are keeping safe in these hard times as well. Ngā mihi nui kia kōrua and aroha nui. Connor's the recycling man just apologising for making a noise at 6 AM. Man, yeah, he starts his recycling runs so early, man. Coming along beautifully since last time. Hey, Muffin Manson, thanks for the bits. Yeah, we're getting there, brother, we're getting there. I just, don't really like to rush if people are getting sick of seeing it so slow. Can I try my best American accent? My father gave me a small loan of $1 million. No, I don't know how to do it. Hi, how are you? My name is Broxh. Here I am trying my first American accent. I wish my father gave me a small loan of $1 million as well, but unfortunately, we aren't as privileged as some. My father gave me a small loan of $1 million. Oh, fucking hell. Can I have him as a dad too? Nah, I suck at that accent too. Man, when he said that, I'm not gonna lie, I got pretty triggered. I was like, oh, check you out. As an American. Oh, sorry, brother, they just asked me to do it, bro. I didn't mean any bad by it. This has been joking. My bad if I offended you guys. Ooh, it's getting cold. Oh, Thunder Punch back next week. Gee. Too much. Feels like it's been a long time. Oh, fucking YouTube, man.
New Tresemme, sick and full with micellar technology for luscious volume.
Now, take it from me, fams. Tresemme is not that good of a shampoo. I will say that. And conditioner. So I'll say that much. It is not that good. I'm American and I love that. No, it's all good, brother. No, it's just, yeah, just in case, had to say it just in case I offended somebody. It's all good, brother. Fake panda. Chew, brother. As a guy with long hair, you were correct. Yeah, man, I've never liked Tresemme. Like, you wash your hair with that shampoo and it still feels like it needs a wash. I'm like, really? Just man's going to cancel their sponsorship with you. Ah, it's all good. I'm more of a Pantene man. I'll take that L. I don't mind. He'd be Gora with 2 arms and hammers. Entanglement. Fuck's sakes, just. I know you can't hear me, but I'm gonna message. I won't lie, I'm a Blastoise man myself. I chose him over Charizard. I know a lot of people be chasing their Charizard, but myself, I'm more of a Blastoise man. No time to squanch. Thanks for the sub, brother. What does that mean, brother, if you don't mind me asking? Is that just a made up name, or? Oh, fuck, here's Connor again. Connor fucking McGregor. Oh, God. Brother Connor, thank you very much, brother. Oh, God. Ian, thank you very much for the sub as well. Oh, you guys. Holy shit. JT. Jit Fresh. Sure, brother. Thank you for subbing. You didn't have to. And Benny Quinn as well. Yeah, Mr. Sheep. So Connor went pretty hard yesterday. Ravioli. Connor really wants us to ban him. You can't even ban him though. I think I need a jersey. I'm getting cold. Yeah, Connor's back, brother. Sure, Willie Sky. Sure, brother. Sorry, guys. I just had to turn it around my way just so I can focus on this side without trying to shoulder barge the camera. Good to see the weather's nice up today. HDM motorcycle from Wellington. Looks like it's going to be mint. Nice, brother. Now this takes skill. Just practice, brother. Anthony, thank you very much, brother. I'm gonna talk to you for a bit. Have a rest. Wow, that's so cool. Yeah, it's alright, eh? It's alright. I'm never like satisfied with what I do. So what is your next carving going to be? So after this one, I'll be jumping on my current commission that I'm doing, which is a Totara. Hold on, I need a... Oh, this is melted. So I'll get another chisel too, we'll cut out that eye while we're talking. Good. before I sleep. Oh, chew this water. Crash it back down to Wellington again. Bro, that's pretty cool. I want to try and get my bike license, eh? Not anytime soon though. Would be mean. So I get a, yeah. Cause my mother was my mother owned a Harley back when I was young. And she kind of gave me the bug at a young age too. I wanted my own Toyota. Oh, true, brother. Anyone else own a motorcycle or Harley Davidson? Mr. Master Shrimpy, thank you very much, brother. You didn't have to do that, my bro, but I appreciate it. I'm gonna head out. I see. Oh, all good, Dweebo. You have a good sleep, brother. Yeah, thank you again once again for the sub, brother. If you're new, my bro, you can hold off subbing. You can just watch. It's more than welcome, brother. Okay. How detailed are the eyes usually in the piece like this? So obviously we just cut the shape out, brother, and we'll use abalone shell as inlays. So you can get the shell itself, or you can get like power paper if you want. Depends. I guess it depends what's accessible, I guess. Favorite character in the Marvel Universe? Probably Beta Ray Bill. And Thor. So we have to drop these down, but I'll do them later. When comes the gaming stream? When I figure out how to do it with the brother in Phoenix. Just takes time, brother. Lee plays the games. Thank you for the bits. You did not have to. Thank you though. Do you have any favourite carvers or do other styles interest you? Yeah, all of them, bro. I love all the styles, all the tribal styles. Love every carver out there that's come through the Carving Institute. Yeah. Probably the one that's cracking it the most would be Lionel Grant. He's one of the best carvers out of a younger generation. Hey brother Toxic, oh here we bloody go. I fixed then. Oh god. Thank you brother. Oh why? Appreciate it man, thank you very much. Oh god. You don't have to though brother. I want you to look after yourself too, my bro. Monster Nick and Rezzy Boy as well. Thank you very much, guys. Just remember, the well-being of you guys should come before, and buying food should come before subbing. Okay, how's this looking? Thank you guys. Hope you die. Okay then, thank you very much. Oh, I'll just bloody ban you myself, eh? Clown. Hope you die. Fuck. Got that much hate in your heart? Holy hell. Someone just said hope you die. Well, Hope you get laid. What a weirdo. Yeah, bro. Hope you get laid or eat some food, because man, you sound hangry. He had no manners. Yeah, oh well, he's gone. Move on. There's many of them out there. It's just what they thrive on. I hope you live forever. Oh, no thank you, brother. Through the work that I do, yes, but yeah, no. I'll end up being like that lady off Tangled. Get him a pie. Now I see standing here, it's all so clear. Hello from Miami. Hey brother, how are you? Okay, I'll just not even worth being called an egg. What is the name of the type of wood you are carving, brother? So this particular wood here, my bro, is called Totara. It's a native red pine, brother. It's one of the more common woods that we love to use because it's soft and it's really good for these kind of projects. Many other larger projects like sculptures and walkways, or like archways, sorry. But we call them waharoa. Sorry, Taka Waititi. Yeah, bro. Hold on, guys. I'm just gonna move it away so you just don't get like a camera full of ashy elbow. Alright. There we go. Hey brother Normas, sculpture looking great. Thanks brother. What's your favourite kind of pie? Got a special bakery in store for them? Yeah bro, so I'm a steak and cheese pie man. There's quite a few good bakeries here. I don't know if they're good enough for the bro Tim, but there's one new one that's opened up the road from me. An Italian family owns it, called Guido's, bro. They are good. What's my favourite film? Outside of Disney and all that? No, I mean, it's probably going to be obvious. But Warcraft. That's probably the movie I've watched the most. How often do you sharpen your tools? Like usually once every 4 weeks. NZ bakeries go hard. Yeah, there are the odd few that don't bother. Yeah. What's everyone's go-to pie? There you go. Boom. Just trying to get so you can see there's a line here. So that's like a ridge. Try and take that off. Rizzy boy for the horde, my brother. Kangaroo pie for me. Kangaroo. Steak, bacon and cheese. Live action or animated Lion King? Animated, brother. Way better. So we're just trying to get rid of this ridge here. Well, we don't have to, but yeah, I want to. So there. Chicken and bacon. Pumpkin pie too. Yeah, chicken and mushroom is always solid. Okay, so we might have to chuck a young spiral here. See how we go. Anyone tried possum pie? I mean, I know possum's a bit of a pest here, but yeah. Coochie. Custard squeeze, bro. I tried a custard corona tea. Literal party in my mouth. Those were good. Who was that? A fellow lefty. Yes, brother. I am a lefty as well. And Benny Quinn, thank you very much for the bits, man. You did not have to. It's good to connect with other lefties as well. I need one more follow for affiliate. Can it be? Oh, T. Biggins. I'll come and have a look, brother. Just, yeah. It's best to just, I would say, grind for it, brother, and not ask, but yeah, I'll have a look. Never know, you might get some now. Left gang, yeah, bro. How many lefties are in the chat, by the way? Also learning a lot. I feel like I'm there with your carving. Oh, all good, brother. Bro, if I ever get the chance to do like a live display in like Twitch or something, bro, I'll be keen, eh? Because I won't do all the carving, I'll make everyone else do it. Both, actually. Damn, this guy out here with the alpha genetic. Good to see some lefties in the chat. So I don't have a rubber, so just use a chisel. I might need to buy me a smaller V chisel too. So because of you guys, I can invest in more chisels to do like smaller detailed stuff. And for that I thank yous. Even though I don't want yous to bloody sub. It is said that a young Ronso lion by the name of Kimari heads up to Mount Gargazet to fight 2 dominant male Ronsos. But it is said if he uses Lancet all the time, he will get many, many ultimates. But the left hand makes the perfect G. Man, you can write with both hands, so you can probably go like this, see? 1 9 You're so good at what you do. I am rather avocado at this, brother. So when I say avocado, I mean I'm average. Yeah, I'm pretty avocado at this, my bro. Avocado sounds pretty nice, to be honest. You sound like David Edinburgh. Yo, Wesley, thank you for the sub, my bro. You didn't have to. Is it a mistake just to do a big spiral here and carry on the design? I don't know. Just makes sense to do a spiral on the shoulder. Where does your inspiration come from? From my ancestors, brother. So this is a art form that's been a part of our culture for many, many years. And obviously it's something I don't plan on stopping within my life. Or plan on stopping on doing. I don't know how to explain it because I'm trash at explaining things. There we go. Cruzy, thank you very much for the sub as well. You didn't have to. And Benny Banane. This is the peak of streaming. Oh, I don't know, brother. I mean, we just started. We've still got much more to do, brother. Isn't this the the scene in Final Fantasy where you fight that dragon on the ship? If I remember correctly. There we go. Got around the arm. Watching from Tūranga Miniakura. Oh, chew. Watching you for a while we study. Oh, chew, drugs. Sorry about that, guys. Didn't know they were doing that. Yeah. So it's just the same design that we did on our first carving. So I'm just trying to get a little bit of a spiral action going on. Then we'll butt it into the arm. Oh, look at that. We cracked it. How long does one woodcraft take? So I'll put it into a timeline where I'm not doing it on stream. So something like this I can do if I went hard out without talking to anyone. 4 days at the latest. So one day I'll just mould the entire thing and draw the design on, and then from there usually just start doing the design. I mean, the design can always determine the time as well. So like the one we're just doing, because it's one of the most difficult ones, it takes the longest to do. So that's why it's been taking long. The Lord knows music to my ears. Okay, as long as you don't mind it, I'll carry on. If you don't like it, just tell me and I'll stop. Cheer, Fanta. Have a good one. So we'll just try and get a spiral going on. Here we go. Much better. Download Grammarly for free. No thank yous, good sir. Do you sell your wood products? I will be soon, brother. Ambient background music. Okay, all good. Reminds me of being home on a sunny day. Yeah. So I'll just do this. The gap within the arm, like in here, is pretty much fine, so you don't need to carve that anymore. We'll leave that alone. I might try and dig this background part in a bit deeper, so we can make the face pop out a bit more. Pretty much just adding to the workload, but it'll look much better. We need an AMA with Wheku. We're actually just the best human alive. Oh, I don't know, brother. I wouldn't say that about myself. There's many good people out there. Weed whacker stream. Imagine that, having a lawn mowing stream, and a lot of people just come in to watch you mow the lawn. But then again, you'll have a lot of people judging you how you mow your lawn. Like, Mr. Spot. Weird whacker, weird champ. Ah, yeah, Totara is the word I'm using to whoever asked. Sorry. If I missed it. Oh, I mean, I did miss it because I said sorry. What are you building? So, I'm just carving a Wheku, brother. So, traditional Maori wood carving is what I do. It's a big passion of mine that I've been doing since the age of 12 years old. At the moment, brother. Yeah, so we're doing a mask, which are usually hung at the apex, or installed, I would say, not hung, at the apex of our meeting houses and our gateways. Okay, to make it easier, I'll do one big one there, so you're not doing too much thinking. It's just whack. Really impressive, brother. Oh, thank you, guys. Thank you, brother. Now, question. Do we have any Diablo players in the chat? Because I seen a Diablo pop that I don't know if people might like. It's the angel dude. If anyone would be keen. Diablo is the best. I like Diablo. Oh, okay. Where are you originally from? The Mist and Comet. I'm from New Zealand, brother. Tyrael, yeah, I saw a Tyrael pop at EB Games yesterday. I was just wondering if there would be any interest around him. Hello. Oh, your water. I saw a Ripley one as well from Fortnite. I was thinking of getting those two for 5th and 4th place when we do our Bob Ross stream. What are your guys' thoughts on that? Are you down, Totara? Yeah, brother. Kimari is pure, yeah. Kimari is one of my favourite F10 characters, but Jet's my favourite Final Fantasy character, along with Orin. From 7, my favourite was Red 15. Nanaki, is that his name? To all the Final Fantasy lore people out there. Oh, so bro, because we made it to 1 million followers, because of you guys, how we're going to celebrate is I'm going to dress up as Bob Ross and try and paint. I have the painting skills of a 5-year-old, and just down for a good laugh. And I'm going to do giveaways too, brother, like 5. So yeah, I might get Tyrael, Ripley and Tyrael for 5th and 4th, and 3 others maybe, if that's okay. But that's why I'm going out of town. Fan back in Tui. Yeah, that's where I'm from. Yeah, I have the painting skills of a 5-year-old. More for the laughs, not the actual trying to be a painter. Do you play League? Yeah, I do now again. I went back to it after that cool ass cinematic. It's like, damn it! Cheer Frost Panda again. What games do I play? majority of the time it's World of Warcraft. But I've recently gotten back into League of Legends because of that new cinematic. Bro, it got me good, eh? It made me want to learn how to play Yasuo. Just dribbled. Imagine if I painted Korg painting Bob Ross. That would be funny. But I mean, I don't know how to paint characters. That's the thing. I mean, I could probably paint a good bloody Voltorb. Draw Ross. Fuck. These lemon squares are just too good. Custom characters. Nah, I've just like the first time I've even tried Yasuo. I don't even know how to play him. I've just been playing him in a bot game. But my cousin gifted him to me. Like what is it? Spirit Blossom, that one? That's a skin, eh? A new one? He just gifted the pack. Gifted that, the champion, and award. It's like, oh, true, didn't have to. He goes, oh, all good. That's a nice skin. Yeah, it looks pretty good, eh? Nano Dreamstorm. Thank you very much, brother, for subbing. You didn't have to. And F Paradox as well. Just watch a Bob Ross video and paint. Yeah, I don't want to do that because that's cheating. I mean, it's probably the best way, to learn. I'm going to just use linseed oil on the mask because it's dry. What's your favourite game of all time? I would say the game that got me into gaming was Sonic Brother back on the Mega Drive. There you go. Do you play Valorant? Nah, I don't really like that game. It's boring. Especially when people creep around the corners. Gotta go fast, yeah. So that was the first game I ever played, was Sonic on Mega Drive. Along with Alex the Kid as well. And then obviously being a kid from the 90s, we all played Crash Bandicoot. Have you played COD yet? Modern Warfare, the one with the first one with soap. After that they got pretty boring. What about CSGO? Nah, brother. Nah. There we go, much better. I'm using the wrong size chisel for this type of stuff anyway, but I don't have a smaller one. So I just gotta take my time. Make sure I don't take too much off one side. Should be good though. Sorry, I'm covering the camera. Do you play 1992 Baby in the House? Gee, I was born 91, brother. Why add a small bit of oil? Because it's the wood itself is dry, just to loosen up the grain. Just to make it easier for me. So we're not breaking it all the time, because the middle ridge in the middle was breaking. I had a Sega Genesis and I gave it to my friend. I regret that every day. Oh, true. You ever played Overwatch? Yeah, bro, I played it in closed beta. Ah, bro, yeah, I was on Reinhardt, man. Oh, Bumblebee. Get. Run away. Run away. Thank you. I remember getting my Game Boy Color too. Hyperscape, it's too good. Is that new one that's come out? Get some. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. Appreciate it, my bro. If you're new here, my man, you don't have to resub, brother. Just make sure you look after yourself as well. What do you think of Halo Infinite that's coming out? Looks good, eh? I've been a Halo fan too, but I didn't own an Xbox, so I just played my cousin's one. And shout out to the brother Mahalo for giving me a Master Chief collection on PC. My favorite Halo was Halo Reach. Man, I spammed that game so much, eh? That was my favorite. You see they're making a new Fable? Yeah, bro. Bro, it's been a long time since we had a new Fable. Reach is a classic. Yeah, man. Halo Reach was so good. You ever played Undertale? Yo, you even got a Master Chief emote. Hold on, guys. Our music stopped. That's pretty buzzy. Skate 4 is being made finally. Oh, true. Oh, I was more of a Tony Hawk man myself, brother. Sorry, I'm about to. I'll pull it back a bit, so I can at these angles. Good night, everyone. Cheer, puppy. You have a good night. Now I don't need no superstar. I keep getting DMs as well, guys, about not rocking like the purple tick in other people's chats. Like all it comes down to is I just can't be bothered. Doesn't really bother me. If I was to make a prop warrior on the Horde, it'd probably be an orc, because they're my favourite, along with the Tauren as well. But if I was going to make a Tauren, I'll probably try Pally. I haven't even tried Pally yet. If WoW reskinned the orcs with brown skin and removed the false teeth, they would look exactly like Broxh. There's already brown orcs, my G. Yes, please. Ooh, Totara. Oh, is it a pizza? Hello. Oh, our speaker's still up. I'll put our tunes on, since our mower man's gone. Yeah, so even the brother Mahalo's on the alliance too. Man, that's good, mate. When it comes to the alliance though, I'm not really a big fan of the races on there. I mean, I don't play a human in the MMO. It's boring. So my only other favourite race on the game, on that faction, is the pandas. So I made a prop warrior panda. And I know all the edgelords out there hate pandas, but not me. Posture check. Okay, we have a bit of a break there. Yeah, I'm a fan of the orcs, eh? It's because they remind me of my own people. Hey, these are good. You like Star Wars? No, not really. I told you it does that.
What?
Didn't you hear it?
Was it that?
Huh?
Was it that?
Te mea noho ana ki Totara. My mum's not here, so shame.
What?
No. Can't your mum teach you not to talk with your mouth full?
I don't want to.
Hey. Yeah, so yeah, I'm not really a fan of any of the alliance races. I mean, my druid's on there. It's a Worgen, but I'll probably change it to a night elf because the night elf customizations for Shadowlands look pretty on. Man has some sass in it. What's that for? Oh, Yanzo, I play both factions now, but yeah, my heart's with the Horde always. Kiwi Unleashed the Horde. You look like a big huggable bear with a fat salmon. Done more work watching you than any other streamer. Oh, jeez. Yeah, I'm a fan of the pandas, brother. Yeah, always have been since Chen Stormstout. Even Strongbow as well, his best friend. Not much people know about Strongbow as well. Hey, Jeremiah. I love how it's so generous you are even with the fame. Oh, I don't even think I'm famous. I don't even care about that, eh? Yeah, sleep with it. So check that in, please. Yeah, fame's not something I really care about, or is it clout, whatever the youngins call it these days. I told the stream like ages ago, fame doesn't carve my wood. Oh, my camera's not even down. Who's cutting the grass? Oh, the neighbours. Yeah, so it's just not something that I care about. Right, these are good. Have a good sleep, woodmaster. Cheers, brother. Yeah, I really enjoyed Mists, not only for the lore, but just the areas as well. I think Konglai Summit was my favourite. Ah, there we go, he's moving on. Thank bloody goodness for that. Ever you stand off Alice? Yeah, bro, hard. He has a Honda running in the background. How old am I? I'm 28, brother. Rua te kaumā waru. Broxh cannot whistle any bird in a single breath. Oh, I'm glad he's gone around to the other side of their house. Sorry about that, guys. I need another chisel. Just join the stream too, and read danger. I understood you when you said your age, yeah. Oh, and Maori, brother, cheer. Yeah, everyone. So we got a bit of a. So over-friendly Otter's been learning the language, the Maori language, bro. He's been buzzing me right out. Oh, Zerk's all good, brother. Yeah. Started when I was 12 and still going. Don't plan on stopping anytime soon at all. Don't want to. Let's get this side done, eh? Just try and get this side cut out, and then that might be us for the day. I've got to hydrate it. Who's your idol character? From anything or something in particular? Yeah, got your hydrate in for you, brother. Hey, bro, what is good making me thirsty? Oh, true, brother. So after the current commission I have, I will be opening up like bookings, but it has. So the only thing with me is, I'm only a traditional Māori wood carver. I don't carve anything outside of my culture. Yeah, that's the thing. Because I've been asked, bro, can you carve me a lion? I was like, bro, I can't carve lions, bro. YRC Morals, thanks for the sub, brother. Didn't have to, my bro. You can just watch and look after yourself too. I just watched one of your vids, not my birthday, and the comments were so confused. Oh, yeah, so I think it was the day before yesterday or the day before. it was a viewer's birthday, and I just said, "Oh, happy birthday, brother," and everyone thought it was mine. Favorite pie flavor? Steak and cheese, brother. Soya and Jimmy. Thank you very much, guys, for subbing. If you guys are new here, you can watch for free. So yeah, just come chill. So with me, guys, yeah, look after yourselves first. Whether it be with food, V-Bucks, whatever tickles your fanny, I suppose. It's not my fuck's sakes, Welshie. Much love, Jet. Thank you, brother. Just yeah, look after yourself too, my brother. I appreciate it, my bro. Thank you very much. Just remember, you don't have to renew. So the abalone inlay will go in here. Just see what it looks like cut out. Looks so good, looks so good. Posting links will get you timed out. Damn, and just yelled that too. Be careful, angry guy. Our man be yelling today, guys. We'll put him up in, see what it looks like. So just again, guys, we are getting new emotes. I just don't want to yell that one rush the brother, because he's got his own stuff to do as well. You like Star Wars? Nah, not that much, do you, bro? I thought you were going to sleep, brother. You should go to Kyoto in Japan, it's amazing. Bro, I'd love to travel to Japan. To learn the culture, most of all. So samurai culture is something I've always been fascinated by. Doesn't look too bad. What do you guys think? Stolen Spaghetti, thank you for the sub, brother. If you're new here, you can watch for free, my G. So this is the section we're doing now. We've got little bits to clean here and there, but that won't take long. So one thing, so after stream today, one thing I plan to do after the stream is go to town and invest in some brushes just for staining, and because we're eventually going to get to that process soon for this mask. Looks like you spilled blood on the top. Cheerio, charm. Yeah, so just looking at it now, so I've got to clean up in here. We'll carry on with this tomorrow. And but tell me what you guys think. Where do you get the power from? Usually family and friends have like a random supply of power. Sometimes they're given out. Surely I'll find some. Share Games, thank you very much for the bits. You did not have to. Appreciate it though. So yeah, I need to invest in some brushes just for the staining side. I'll get around to that. So there's a few bits of pencil that needs to be taken out in certain areas as well. We'll get around to that as well, which shouldn't take too long. But yeah, it's looking pretty good, I would say. Oh, jeez, my legs.